Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to watch YouTube together on Discord. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To watch YouTube videos together on Discord, you can use the Discord screen sharing feature. This allows you to share your browser window where YouTube is playing, and others in your voice channel can watch along with you. Here's how to set it up. So firstly, make sure one of your preferred browser is open and also the YouTube is on the search result. Make sure you have the video selected. So now let's go to our Discord. Now what we need to do here is make sure you have a server and everyone on this server or your friends. Make sure all of your friends has Discord account and make sure all of your friends are on this server. Now to make sure all of these things can work, let's go to user settings and go to registered games. Make sure the Google Chrome is added and make sure the toggle overlay is on and toggle detection is on. Now let's go back. Now let's share our screen. Then choose the YouTube on the Google. And here you can choose the screen quality between better text readability or custom. And also the resolution. So I choose this. So you have to get Nitro to unlock this feature. And also you can choose frame rate between 15, 30 to 60. Now once everything is all set on your preferred setting, go ahead and click on Go Live. Now you can watch together with your friends on YouTube. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.